Hello young builders, welcome back to our miniature modeling workshop. In today's class, we will learn how to make strong beams and channels using just paper and cardboard. These parts are like skeleton of the building. They keep everything straight, strong and safe. And later, when we move on to robotics, these same shape will become the frames and support for our robots. So, what are the channels? Simply, a channel is something. If I have this piece, a little piece here, so if I want to put something on it, it is not very strong. So to make it strong, I will just have to make it like, I'm just going to score from here. I'm not cutting it, and another score from here. Okay, so just to show you, here is a channel. I'm just going to fold it. So my channel is ready. Its shapes look like this. This is a channel. This is also used for sliding windows, and this channel can support something strong. So if my paper was straight like this, I could not have put like anything like here, anything heavy. It won't stay here. Okay, so let's make it a channel. And now I'm going to put my scissors here, and you can see it can hold this scissor as well. I'm just going to show you again. Okay, here we have, you can see my fingers are not under this scissors, and because of this shape it can hold even heavy buildings and everything. So this is how we make channels. Okay, so I'm going to create a channel first of all. Okay, I'm just going to take this piece, and what we do in the beginning, the first thing we do, we draw a guide to stay straight. Okay, so we make sure that we are straight. Okay, from this guide I am just going to take 3 centimeter. Okay, so I need to put mark on half centimeter each. So I have here, first one is on 0, half centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, and I got the line on 3 centimeter. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side as well. Okay, half centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, and we are good to go. So what we do, I need to draw 6 lines like that. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, I don't need the whole thing. I am just going to cut it from here. Alright, so I don't want the first piece. I want to score the second line, actually the first line here. I don't want to cut it. Again, the second line, score it. Third line, I have to cut it. Okay. Score it. Score it. And cut the third line. Okay. So I have two pieces like that, and I am going to make the channel with it. Okay. So you can see my channel is ready. Okay, I'm going to make another channel with it, and here we have, okay, two of my channels are ready. Okay, so these channels slide can, if one channel was smaller, it would have slide in the first channel, but here we want to make something else that we are going to make it right now. These are the beams. Okay, channel is stronger but the beam is more strong than that. Okay, how we are going to make this one? This is how our beam is going to look like. So what we have to do, we have to take a paper and put it here like this. Okay, on both sides. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to glue it. And put the channels on it. Okay, the channel should touch it with each other. Just like that. Okay, now I am going to do the same thing on the other side. I need another piece of 1 centimeter. I'm not measuring it too precise because I am going to cut it later when I am finished. Okay, so I got here another piece just like that, and I have to glue it again. Once it is glued, I am going to put it here, press it. Remember, I need to press from inside as well. Both of my channels should touch each other. Okay, my glue is dried up now. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to just cut the extra pieces from it. I'm just going to cut away the extra pieces. Okay, and this is what my beam looks like. You can see my beam is ready. So these beams are very strong. They can even hold bridges, and they can even hold your whole house. Even dad's car has these beams beneath it, which is holding the whole car. The whole weight of the car is held by these beams. And that's it. Now you know how to make beams and channels from paper. They may look simple, but these are same for the most important parts of both buildings and robots. Keep practicing different sizes, thicknesses, so you can use them in your dollhouse or future projects. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out our other lessons. Next time we will make another exciting structure part that will help your model get even stronger. See you in the next class, and keep creating